Yes.
5K. Small.
Yeah, thank you for being such a good sport with us. All right, you're welcome. Have a great Sunday.
Naging plano.
And we are about to pick out the first
Thank you. Next, asa na po ni?
local winners. Can we have Jeremy to pick out the winners? All right, our FCGA director
Grabe, guys,
is
ang
going to pick
daming
out the
mga
winners in our
pang-prize, guys.
first half of the
Basta
raffle.
ng 5K.
Countdown tayo. Okay, we are closing the
Bucket
Campiolo
counter.
officially. Pag
5K.
sinabi namin close na, hindi na po pwede mag-drop o maglagay ng inyong mga raffle stops. So, we'll do the countdown at 30, 29, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala na po, sarado na po.
Next,
Just
asa ni?
take it. Come on,
Asa ni kuha ng isa?
come on.
Bye-bye. Laka naman.
Baggage daw.
Bagis pa na ko nakikita.
Okay. So, asa pa ta mga oras sa
Last
akin?
call for our raffle stops. Kanina pa kayo dyan nakaupo, hindi mo natin yung raffle stops. Remember, we have a pair of shoes from Altra.
Napaw.
Winners will have a light washing machine.